Welcome to the Wolver Channel, where crypto dreams turn into reality. Today, you're not just watching, you're taking control. In just minutes, you'll launch your own token on any blockchain. No experience? No problem. Follow these steps, and let's make you a crypto creator today. Step 1. Remix.eth, your launchpad to success. Open your browser and go to remix.eth. This is where your journey begins. Step 2. Create your token file, the foundation of your empire. Click New File and name it mytoken.sol. Yes, the .sol is critical. This is where your token's code will live. Step 3. Paste your contract code, the blueprint to your fortune. Drop in your smart contract code. Don't have one? No stress. Message me token contract on Telegram, link below, and I'll send you a ready-to-deploy code instantly. Step 4. Compile like a pro. Turn code into power. Go to the Solidity Compiler tab, select the right version, and hit Compile. If you see green, you're on the right track. Step 5. Deploy and make history. Your token goes live. Go to the Deploy tab and connect your wallet, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, etc. Choose your network, Ethereum, BSC, Polygon, your choice. Copy the gas fee value, paste it into WEI value, then enter token name, make it memorable. Total supply, how much will exist. Symbol, your token's ticker. Hit deploy, and just like that, your token is live. Final step, copy your contract address, go to your wallet, import token, and paste it in. You're now a crypto creator. You did it. You're in the game. If this helped you, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because bigger secrets are coming. Need the contract code? Telegram me now, link below, and let's make you unstoppable. The future belongs to those who build it. Start building yours today.